Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Bilco SD24S6. This is what they call the handle assembly padlock, the Hasp padlock. This probably comes on an RPRS7 SS would be my guess. And I'll show you where this actually comes from. But first, dimensional properties. Overall length of this unit, about 2 7/8. The width, about 1 inch. Total height is about 1.25 inches. This is type 316 stainless and would be used in those handle assemblies on the non-ferrous aluminum style applications. Thickness of the steel is about 0.08 inch and weighs about 0.07 pound. Let's switch to the screen view now and let's take a closer look at the supporting information. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Here is the item that we are indeed looking at. I have some images of the item as seen here. Just showing you what it looks like. There is a technical drawing down below this video here, and that will show you our part. It's part number 3, part number 2. Part 2 is here and goes into the greater overall assembly of an entire roof hatch latch or handle assembly for a stainless application. That would be something like the RPR S8SS is certainly going to have this component. It's right here, this Hasp. I don't have any images here of it, but it's this plate here. Technical drawing. Oh, that's not good. We'll have to look into why that doesn't work. Nonetheless, it's probably a link back to this. The gasket goes underneath there. The RPR S8SS is just the handle assembly. If you needed the entire unit, it would be an RPR S7SS that will give you the 8, and then it will give you the rest of the components for an entire lock body assembly with the handles on both sides. So that's where that comes from. There's a link below this video as seen here to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Bilco products we sell by means of this horizontal navigation as seen here, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog here. Let's wrap up this video on camera. If you've not hit subscribe yet, we would very much appreciate if you did, and hopefully you're enjoying this video. Now, let's get back to it. Okay, in conclusion, if you have any questions on the Bilco SD24S6 or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. Bilco is generally a company that we need to reach out if we don't have the answer, meaning if we don't know the right part or part number for your application. Send us an email, include photos, as much information as you have, especially a serial number if there is one on the side wall of the hatch. There may not be one, but there usually is. Send all that to us. Our contact information is under Contact Us in the upper right-hand corner of the site. We'll be happy to make sure that you get the proper replacement hardware. Any questions on this or any other Bilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you. Thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up. Please subscribe and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.